Good afternoon, dear students. So we have completed block 11. So today we'll start with block 12. And our topic of discussion for today is the paintings in the Ajanta cave. So today our topic of discussion is paintings in the Ajanta caves. So let's get started. Alright, our aim for today is students will be able to describe the key features of the Ajanta painting. So after our class, we will learn about the key features of the Ajanta cave. Okay, resources required is your worksheet S1, your notebook, your exit content book. So all those things you please get ready beforehand. So let's learn the meaning of this key term as well. Okay, so the key words for today is natural and lapis lazuli. Okay, lazuli. So let's learn the meaning of the keywords. So here is a simple meaning of the keywords. Okay, what is natural? I'm sure you all know what is natural. Okay, so it is of or something relating to nature and that exists and evolve within the confines of an ecosystem, that is known as natural. Okay, or something which is there by itself. All right, what is lapis lazuli? Okay, for this you will find even in your content book. Okay, content book, the picture you will find even in your content book. It is a deep blue stone that is used in making jewelry and traditionally used to make the pigment ultramarine. All right, so it is a deep blue stone, okay, which is usually used for making jewelry, that you will find even in your content book as well. All right, so let me just quickly ask you a question. Okay, what could be a good way to know about a person or a place in one glance? So at one looks, all right, at one looks, what will be a good way to know about a person or a particular place? That is just at one look, okay, at one glance. Okay, yeah, so that will be a good way to know about a person or a place is to observe a picture, is to observe a given picture or a painting. All right, so that is a good way. Okay, it is a good way to know about a person or place is to observe a picture or a painting. Okay, so today we will learn about the paintings in the Ajanta cave. So today we will be learning about the paintings that was there in the cave of Ajanta. So first of all, I want all of you to please write this question into your notebook. Okay, please write this given question into your notebook. That is, where do you think the painting is from? All right. What can you tell about the person in the paintings? How do you think the colors were made for this painting? And lastly, what did the different shades highlight? All right, so all this given question you please write it into your notebook. Okay, note copy. Where do you think this painting is from? What can you tell about a person in the paintings? How do you think the colors were made for these paintings? What did the different shades highlight? All right, so this thing you please write in your note copy. Okay, the question. All right, similarly, let's get into something practical. Okay, so I want all of you to please go through figure 1. Okay, figure 1 of your exit content book. Please look into your content book. Okay, figure 1, and you also read the story of Rushiel. That is from page 101. Okay, you'll find in 101, page 101. Okay, so you'll find here, please read the story of Rushiel. Okay, and accordingly you also look figure 1. All right, figure 1 from your exit content book. Okay, and you copy the question that is given. Right, I've given you some of the questions, so those questions you please copy into your notebook and write the answer individually. After you have written, okay, the answer, you please read this section. Okay, features of the Ajanta painting. All right, so what you have to do is you observe this given picture from figure 1, right? And then you read the story from page number 101, the story of Rushil. Okay, so after you are done with it, you also read the features of Ajanta cave, Ajanta painting. Okay, features of the Ajanta painting. Okay, you please read all this given passage. All right, now let's get into activity discussion. Okay, let's discuss the activity. Where do you think this painting is from, and what can you tell about the person in the painting? That is from figure 1. And how do you think the colors were made for this painting? What did the different shade highlight? So you see that there are different color being used, different shade bit indicated, right? So accordingly, the question is asking, okay, where do you think this painting is from? And what can you tell about the person in the paintings? And how do you think the colors were made for these paintings? And what did the different shades highlight? Alright, so please listen to the explanation carefully, okay, dear student. So you see this one, okay, the picture is of the wall painting that was found in the Ajanta cave. Okay, so the picture, as you can see, is a wall painting that was found in Ajanta caves. All right, and the person, as you can see the picture, right from the picture, a person is there. So the person in the painting looks like a prince or a rich person. Okay, why? Because since he is wearing lots of ornaments and jewels, you'll see in the picture that he is wearing lots of ornaments and jewels. Okay, so he might be either a prince or a rich person. He is surrounded by many people who are probably his attendants. Similarly, from the given picture, you'll see that he is also surrounded by many people, right? He is also surrounded by many people. Okay, so might be they are his attendant. All right, so see, he is one of the followers of Buddha. Okay, all right, called the Padmapani, meaning the one who holds the lotus. All right, so the color for this painting are all natural. They are all natural color. Okay, all right, and made from earths and color stone and pebbles. So all those are natural colors made from earths. Collecting earth means from the leaf. Okay, that was collected from the leaf, and color stone and pebbles. So all those color were a natural one. Okay, and the different shade highlighted the expression and poses of the human figures. All right, as you can see that it highlighted the expression and the poses of the human figures. As you can see the human figures out here, okay, in the given picture, right? Okay, let's get into generalized discussion. Okay, let's generalize our discussion now. Question: what are the features of this painting? So what according to you are the features of this painting, and what information do we get about past from this painting, and what information do we get about our past, that is from the given pictures painting? And how do you think the paintings were made, since the cave usually are dark from inside? We all know that as you get inside a cave, there is no current, there is no light, it is very dark. So how do you think the paintings were made, since the cave usually are dark from inside, because no sunlight can penetrate inside the cave? Yes or no? So what do you think the paintings were made, since the cave usually are dark from inside? All right, I hope you have something in your mind. Okay, you try to restore the question, okay, in your mind, and then try to listen to the explanation whether it is up to your expectation or not. All right, so this painting were made, okay, it was made on the walls of cave, that is after shooting the surface with a layer of clay and cow dung. Okay, they have to level the surface. Okay, they have to level the surface, they have to smoothen the surface so that they can paint. All right, because in a rough surface you cannot paint. Okay, so what they did was they smoothen the surface with a layer of clay. All right, and then kaodang. I hope you all know what is kaodang. And they level this with fine white clay of gypsum. All right, so the outline of image was made in black. All right, the outline was made in black, brown or pink, and then colors were filled in using a brush that was made of animal hair. So even the brush, okay, that was a natural, okay, use that was made using an animal hair, okay. And this style of painting is known as fresco. So this style of painting is known as fresco, okay. And colors, tones and vegetables ground and mixed with glue as well as lapis lazuli. Like we have learned what is lapis lazuli. It is a deep blue stone, okay. So referring to that, was used for coloring the painting. So all those pebbles, all those clay and the herds were collected, they were drenched, they were mixed together, and then color was formed. All right, and the paintings are meant to show the life of Buddha. As you can see, the painting are made to show the life of Buddha, okay. We also get to know the type of ornaments and clothes people wore and the kind of animals as well, okay. We also get to know from the picture the type of ornaments that people were using, the clothes they were also wearing, and the kind of animal that was there about the life through the painting in Ajanta cave. So let's get into hot discussion, okay. This one I want all of you to think individually, okay. See, these are very famous painting and many people visit the cave every day, okay. The cave that we have seen are very famous. This painting in the cave are very famous painting, okay. And many people they come and they visit the place every day, okay. Do you think tourism has had some kind of effect on this painting? What can be the, okay, danger of having lots of tourists, and how the tourists has affect the paintings? What are some of them? All right, do you think tourism has had some kind of effect on this painting? I hope you get the question. So all these famous painting are very famous. All those painting are very famous. So because of that, many people they used to come and they visit the cave every day, okay. And do you think tourism or the tourists has had some kind of effect on this painting? Yes, okay, obviously the answer is yes. And what is that? Let's learn, okay. Please listen carefully. So the camera flash, okay, if you click a particular picture from a DSLR, okay, or from any camera, you see that there is a camera flash, right, has caused damage to the painting. That is why clicking picture is not allowed in the caves, okay, because of the flash. It destroyed the painting. And probably people also touch this painting, okay. People sometimes they also do touch the painting to feel them, all right. This might damage the paintings. Like there are many other means, okay. So that thing you can record your answer from your own as well. So class 4, okay, your things to do for today is please complete your worksheet S1, okay, S1, and then do your practice question 1, 2 and 3. All right, practice question 1, 2 and 3. See the painting in the Ajanta cave 1, 2 and 3, okay. All right, these are the questions that you are supposed to do from practice question along with the worksheet S1, the painting in the Ajanta cave. All right, so that's it for our class for today. Have a good day, take care and stay safe all of you.